At the 2025 Consumer Electronics Show, Honda took center stage with the unveiling of its groundbreaking Honda Zero Series electric vehicles. Introducing the Honda Zero SUV and Honda Zero Saloon prototypes, these EVs mark a revolutionary step in sustainable mobility and cutting-edge automotive technology. Let's start with the Honda Zero SUV prototype, a mid-size marvel designed for flexibility, spaciousness, and advanced functionality. Built on Honda's newly developed EV platform, the Zero SUV embraces a thin, light, and wise design philosophy, creating a roomy cabin with enhanced visibility and flexibility, perfect for redefining your in-car experience. Inside, next-generation technology takes the spotlight. The ASIMO Operating System delivers ultra-personalized digital interactions, while the steer-by-wire system ensures precision handling and a futuristic driving feel. Scheduled for production in North America in early 2026, this EV will soon redefine practicality and innovation for families and adventurers alike. Next, meet the flagship of Honda's new EV lineup, the Honda Zero Saloon prototype. Sleek, sporty, and unmistakably luxurious, it's a bold statement in electric vehicle design. With its low-slung, aerodynamic profile, the Zero Saloon combines style and efficiency, making it the perfect choice for discerning EV enthusiasts. And despite its streamlined exterior, the interior is surprisingly spacious, offering unmatched comfort and elegance. Plus, it's equipped with Level 3 automated driving technology for a truly personalized mobility experience. The Honda Zero Series isn't just a new line of electric vehicles, it's a vision for the future. With the revolutionary ASIMO OS, advanced energy management, and cutting-edge automation, Honda is redefining what it means to drive electric. Production begins in 2026, and the Honda Zero Series is ready to lead us into a sustainable, innovative, and exhilarating future. Are you ready for the journey? Stay tuned for more as Honda transforms the EV landscape, one innovation at a time.